Hey friends, it is Samara here with Shots of Life. This month I'm going to be featuring the 49 in Market from the Garden portion of the Shots of Life kit. You may not know, but it comes with, I believe, four portions of the flavors of the month, but you get it every other month. So you actually get basically eight portions. So I love to make these little 8x6 pages for my little mini album. And I love to take just like the silliest snapshots or just things that won't necessarily make it into my big 12x12 pages. So these pictures are from my birthday dinner right before we left the house. And my daughter and I were standing out front waiting for my husband, her dad, and we were just being super silly. And she took the most unflattering pictures of me. I mean, look at that. My forehead, or as she called it, my five head. That is ridiculous, right? So we were just having a blast out in the front yard waiting. I also had received these gorgeous flowers from my family and from my coworkers. And so I decided to use those in this little frame. I love how this collection is so girly and wonderful. And the reason why I went with it is because actually it matched my clothes that I was wearing. So even though the photos are not super representative of like in the garden, I thought it went really well with my outfit, and it's just fun, right? So I printed these photos. I believe there were like 8 photos up to the page, if I'm not mistaken. So they ended up being maybe about 1.5 inches. I just kind of eyeballed it and cut off any extras that hung over. And because they're floral, it doesn't really matter. So I love these 2 pages. I love how they're like very vintage, scrapbooky. And then on the other page, I'm going to use these 3 photos. So you've got my forehead photo. You have me making a funny face while my daughter is looking pretty cute. And then she took this most unflattering photo of me from the ground up, where I look like a giant, but I also like have a giant belly. It is just an atrocious picture. But you know what? Embrace the fun, right? So I'm going to lay everything out similar to this. And I'm just going to play around with the placement. And also in this collection, in the Shots of Life, you will get an assortment of these chipboard pieces that are so great. Look at those. So I have from the garden with my flowers, Live Your Dreams at the bottom. We've got This Life. And then on the other page, we have Moments in Full Bloom and Naturally, because, right? Naturally. It is so funny. Absolutely hilarious. I love this little tiny clothespin. Look at how delicate that is. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love it. So how are you all managing kind of those miscellaneous photos? What are you doing with them? I'm just, like I said, having a blast, adding them to this little snapshot album. I am using walnut stain just to ink around the edges, just to add a little bit of contrast to the layout. And we're just going to glue everything into place. I'll be adding some twine from my stash, this brown twine that you can see there. And I'm just slowly, putting things into place. I will take the extra piece of paper that came in this portion to back my photos. And what I'm going to do here is just put the photo there, and I'm going to rip off the bottom portion, like so. So I know if you're like me, you probably have, I mean, I think I have like 36,000 pictures on my phone. Like it's ridiculous. I take pictures all the time, but I don't scrapbook all of them. And you guys know I like to keep my actual scrapbook pages limited to kind of like the best couple of pictures from a particular event or thing that we were doing. But, you know, there's also those just miscellaneous photos. Like, what are you doing with them? Are you printing them? I know a lot of you like to use a bunch of photos on your layouts, which is totally cool. Not my style, but totally cool. And sometimes I do it. Like you saw earlier this month where I put 7 photos on a page. I feel like that was a world record for me. I'm going to grab my trusty little date stamper. Man, this little date stamper has paid for itself time and time again. And I went ahead and stamped it and then stamped it off so that the ink was a little bit faded, and then like stamped it a couple of times so that it had just, again, that kind of like vintagey look. We're going to add these other photos to the other side of that paper. And tear off the bottom. Oh my gosh, I am just absolutely howling at how ridiculous that photo is. So just tearing off the bottom here, and I am going to ink the edges, which you guys are going to see was kind of a waste of time. You'll see in just a second when I change my mind. I know, shocking. See how that naturally just totally goes with this top? It's funny, my wardrobe now is mostly greens. I just have been gravitating towards greens lately. I absolutely love them. And this is kind of like a pale, sagey green. And I flipped over to the other side of the paper because I wanted a little bit more contrast on this side. This paper is very yellow and brownish, and I just wanted a little bit more. Let's go ahead and drop in that naturally. Oh my gosh, so cute. So, so cute. And then we have this adorable little clothespin that is so teeny tiny that I had to grab my tweezers. Oh, sorry. The dogs are going crazy. All right, ignore. All right, let's drop that into place. Moments in full bloom. And now we are going to take, we have a couple of little embellishments here, like a little heart. So let's grab the other side and see if there's anything else we'd like to add to the page. So cute. Love that picture of the two of us. And I'm going to add a little tiny bit of journaling, and I'm going to use the leftover piece of that third card. So all I have left is just that one little tiny piece. I would say I did pretty good. So we'll just drop that into place. And then we are going to do a little bit of journaling here. So, we took these silly photos before my birthday dinner. So enjoy, and thank you so much for joining me this month. I am absolutely having a blast creating with you. Take care.